Hi, today we are going to discuss 4th class maths chapter Money, Profit and Loss, Part 3. In the previous chapter, we discussed about the formula. We recollect them. In terms of profit, if profit is there, selling price will be more than cost price. If this is one direction, in the problem, if we see profit means selling price is more, and in another way, if selling price is more, in the problem if we see selling price is more, then that means profit. In the problem if we see selling price is more, that means profit. So from this we get the formula. Selling price equals to cost price plus profit. The more value which is here, selling price will be the remaining two, cost price plus profit. These two remaining values we get cost price equals to, this is the highest value among these three. This be more greater value minus this remaining. Cost price equals to selling price minus profit. Profit equals to selling price minus cost price. In terms of loss, if loss is there in the problem, if we see loss, then that means cost price is greater value, greater than selling price. In another direction, if we see in the problem cost price is greater value than selling price. If cost price is greater, that means loss. In the problem, if we see cost price is greater, then that means loss. So from this, the formula will be cost price equals to selling price plus loss. Cost price equals to selling price plus loss. Selling price equals to cost price minus loss. Loss equals to cost price minus selling price. This formula we need to keep in mind. Now we do few problems. We solve few problems. The problem is that a dealer bought an LCD TV for rupees 28,470 and sold it for rupees 30,150. Find his gain or loss. What the dealer did? He bought. He bought means cost price. Bought 28,470 means cost price. Cost price equals to rupees 28,470 and sold it for 30,150 rupees. Sold means selling price. Selling price equals to rupees 30,150. So if we observe here, selling price value is more than cost price. So from the formula what we know, if selling price, so from here selling price is more than cost price. Therefore what will be the result? Selling price more. Selling price more implies profit. So he will gain. What he will get? Profit. Profit means gain. Gain equals to profit. What will be the profit formula? Which is the greater value, that minus remaining. Here only three terms we need to consider: selling price, cost price, profit. Selling price, first profit we need to know, selling price minus remaining one, cost price. Therefore selling price rupees, what is the selling price? 30,150 minus rupees, cost price 28,470. That equals to what we need to do? We need to subtraction. We need to do subtraction. We get the value 1,680 rupees. This is the profit he will get. Now we do another problem. What is the problem? Ramakrishna bought a scooter for rupees 46,780 and sold it after 2 years for rupees 39,550. What is his loss or gain? Just we need to think about cost price, selling price only in this. Bought 46,780. Bought means cost price. Cost price, what is it? Rupees 46,780. And sold. Just ignore these two. This words. Sold for rupees 39. Rupees 39,540 means sold means selling price. Selling price equals to rupees 39,540. So here which is the highest value? Cost price 46, selling price 39. So cost price is greater than selling price. So cost price is more. Cost price more means what implies? Loss. If cost price is more means the result will be loss. So what is loss or gain? What he is getting? Loss. So we need to find out the value of loss. Here what are the three terms we need to think? Three terms for every in every problem we need to think of three terms: selling price, cost price, and the remaining what we get. Here I need to find out this one. So this one equals to, among these three, this one completed. Loss equals to greater value, more value. What we need to do? Here cost price. So selling price, loss and cost price we wrote. What is the remaining? Selling price. So cost price minus selling price. Loss equals to cost price minus selling price. So what is the cost price? Rupees 46,780 minus selling price 39,540. The result will be, if we do subtraction, the result will be rupees 7,240. This is Ramakrishna last amount. We do another problem. What is the problem? A dining set is sold for rupees 9,450. It had been bought for rupees 12,800. What was the loss incurred? Here they directly saying loss. How much the loss? That is they are asking. So first we write down sold for rupees means selling price. Selling price equals to rupees 9,450. And it had been bought for rupees means bought means cost price. Cost price equals to rupees 12,800. So which one is greater one? Cost price is greater than selling price. So that implies loss. They are already mentioned loss. Just we need to write. So what we have to find out? Loss. Loss equals to what I told? Three terms: cost price, selling price, loss. Among these three, loss, it's cleared, used. Loss equals to greater value. cost price. What is the remaining? Selling price. Cost price minus selling price. So what is the cost price? Rupees 12,800 minus rupees 9,450. That is, we need to do subtraction. 12,800, 9,450. If we do subtraction, the result will be rupees 3,350. This is the loss after selling the dining table. Now we do this problem. What is this one? A calculator that costs rupees 517.75 is sold for rupees 575.20. 20 pies like that. It's a 517 rupees 75 pies. 575 rupees 20 pies. Calculate the profit or loss earned. So what is they mentioned? It costs 517 means cost price. Cost price equals to rupees 517.75, that is 75 pies. And sold means selling price. Selling price equals to rupees 575 rupees 0.20 means 20 pies. Here which is the greater value? Selling price. Selling price greater than cost price. Selling price greater than cost price means profit. If selling price is more, profit. So calculate profit or loss end. We know that is profit only. Now we need to do calculation for the profit. How do we get profit? Profit. These are here the three terms are this 1, 2, 3. Among these three, I already wrote profit. Profit equals to more value, greater value minus these two. We already used the terms remaining with cost price. So selling price minus cost price. Profit means selling price minus cost price. Selling price is rupees 575.20 minus rupees 517.75. That is, we need to do subtraction. Minus 517.7. This is the calculation we need to do. How much we will get? 57.45. That is, the profit is rupees 57.45. This is the profit after selling the calculator. Now we do one more problem. What is the problem? Arun bought apples for rupees 546.50 and sold them for rupees 480 rupees 0.25 means 25 paise. What is his gain or loss? To find out whether it is gain or loss, first we need to check cost price, selling price. What is the cost price? Bought for rupees 5 means cost price. Bought means cost price. What is cost price? Rupees 546.50. And sold for rupees means selling price. Selling price equals to rupees 480.25. Which one is greater value? 546 is the greater value. What is that? That is cost price. Cost price is greater than selling price. Cost price more. Cost price more means loss. So, after selling the apples, Arun got loss. How much he got? The loss. Loss equals to among these three terms. Loss I use. So I am just cancelling. More value, greater value, cost price minus these two we use. Remaining what? Selling price. Loss equals to cost price minus selling price. So what is cost price? Rupees 546.50 minus selling price 480.25. That is 546.50 minus 480.25. We need to do subtraction. How much we will get? 66.25. That is rupees 66.25. This is the loss Arun got. This is the way we have to do calculations when the problem is given. First, we need to focus on the cost price, selling price, and compare those two values. If selling price is more, profit. Cost price is more, loss. So, based on that, we need to get the formulas and have to do calculations. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe for more videos.